She gets Ligo up, defeats that all, finally gets to Kauai, finds Lohio, and the story goes on, but I encourage you to read the whole level. And then she makes it back to Hawaii. So this Pele tells us or teaches us that yes, there is Pele in Hawaii. The lava is still very active. Ayala o Pele i Hawaii.
Ayala o Pele i Hawaii.
Ayala o Pele i Hawaii. E amaila I maukele hai. Ayala o Pele i Hawaii. E amaila I maukele hai. Aluki uhamela e. Elomea elahaya pinae hai. Aya kapalana imawiye ay now haula we aya kapalana imawiye ay now haula we iya kawala iya hallelujah iya kawala
Hey, Yoano, Hiakai Kukulio,